surface temperature, I said that. Sea surface temperature 26.5 and it is able to give suppose 1 lakh liter of water. लेकिन वो those water vapor which gone up by taking the heat from the sea surface, they have been released in the atmosphere and the atmosphere become lighter and then clouds started moving up. Another that released heat causes increase in the temperature. और उस टेम्परेचर से क्या हो गया? एटमॉस्फेयर बिकम मोर लो प्रेशर. ये साइक्लोन आप पढ़ रहे हो, ध्यान में रखिएगा. इट विल बी इन द पार्ट ऑफ साइक्लोन आल्सो. एंड ये लो ये हीटेड क्या बना दिया? इस रीजन को क्या बना दिया? अनस्टेबल एयर मास. अरे टेम्परेचर बढ़ गया. इफ इट इज एन वार्म एयर मास देन इट बिकम एन वार्मर देन द सराउंडिंग. इट विल मिस अपलिफ्ट. And when it has been uplifted and this low pressure attracted more. 1 lakh तो जा ही रहा है, 0.75 lakh suppose. Now this time the cloud formation will be further bigger or not, because this time contributed how much water? 1.75 lakh liters of water. This time it will release more heat or less heat? पहले 1 लाख लीटर ने हीट जनरेट किया, वाटर वेपर हैज रिलीज द हीट. दिस टाइम मोर हीट and more heat, say what will happen? This has a more low pressure and atmosphere will become more higher temperature and then more heat से क्या हुआ? It will become more lighter and this time it will become more low pressure. And more lighter means it will further let the cumulus cloud to what? More upward. Clear? And more upward. So earlier it was attracting 1.75. तो 1 लाख तो जा ही रहा था. ये 1.7 लाख ने जो क्रिएट किया एक्स्ट्रा वाटर वेपर, एक्स्ट्रा लो प्रेशर, दिस टाइम इट विल बी 1.5 लाख मोर. यस. अब इस टाइम में 1.75 लाख पहले का रेट था. अब नाउ 1.5 इट विल बी. नाउ हाउ मच वाटर इज गोइंग अप? They will release more heat, more latent heat of condensation, and more latent heat of condensation, more release. This cloud keeps on and it will become one of the world's longest, highest cloud. तो पहला यहां पे बना, सेकंड क्लाउड यहां पे बनेगा तो उसको क्या बोलूंगा? Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Altocumulus. And this will be, yes, tell me. Cirrocumulus. And if a cloud is यहां से बनना स्टार्ट हुआ तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Yes, tell me. Cumulo nimbus. At the equator हमने बोला था cumulus and cumulonimbus type of cloud forms. याद है कल का? So cumulus भी बन सकता है, altocumulus different height पे, and then cirrocumulus, and it can form what? Cumulonimbus cloud. Understood? Cumulus. Yes, tell me. Altocumulus. So it will be when the cloud is between 2 to 6 kilometers, it is an altocumulus. If the cloud is between, I said that above 6 kilometers, it is in a which cloud? Cirrocumulus. Clear hai? Yes. So which are the cloud we have seen? Cirrocumulus, cirrostratus, altocumulus, altostratus, below nimbostratus, उसके बाद देखा stratus and cumulus and cumulonimbus. That is clear? Clear? If I talk about, अच्छा ये बताओ, ये लग रहा था चेन रिएक्शन हो रहा है. चेन रिएक्शन समझते हो? अब this time more heat means more extra water vapor. It's like an what growing cyclone. It reaches up to 10-12 kilometer height. Cumulonimbus. And this is the who is the, आपको कल भी मैंने बोला था कि who is the measure, इसमें who is releasing the heat? Latent heat of, and yesterday I said that this is the main mechanism for cyclone formation. Who is the main mechanism for the cyclone formation? Latent heat of condensation. Atmosphere को who is making very hot every time? Release of heat during the condensation. Now I said that there is a cumulus cloud. Which cloud I said that? Cumulus cloud. अच्छा कभी आपने देखा है अभी आपको मैंने समझाया था कि एटमॉस्फेयर कैन बिहेव एनीवेयर, समवेयर एयर इज राइजिंग अप, समवेयर एयर इज मूविंग डाउन, अंडरस्टूड? एंड एयर कैन नॉट बी फेल्ट बाई ह्यूमन बीइंग, एयर नहीं फील किया जाता है। हम लोग किसको फील करते हैं? विंड वी यूज्ड टू फील, अंडरस्टूड? वे एयर वी कांट फील इट। अभी कितने रेट से ऊपर जा रहा है एयर, वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, अंडरस्टूड इट? एंड हाउ मच एयर इट इज इन अ प्रेशर इट इज कमिंग डाउन, वी डोंट फील इट। सो इफ आई से दैट, आपने कभी देखा है इन द रेनफॉल इज इट इज एन क्लाउड इज वेरी हैवी एंड ब्लैक, इट इज अबाउट टू रेनफॉल बट इट डिड नॉट हैपन। और कितना वाटर रहता है, ट्रिलियन टन्स ऑफ वाटर, मिलियन टन्स ऑफ वाटर, इट इज नॉट फॉलिंग डाउन। it has an under the gravity, it should fall down ना, yes, लेकिन it is not falling. What is the reason behind? सोचते रहिए, मैं पूछूंगा आपसे। जनरली सीरियस में बोलते हैं, we'll see it in the next episode. So अब यहाँ पे सपोज करो ये दिस इज एन cumulus cloud and it is not raining, इसका मतलब ये हैवी नहीं हुआ गिरने के लिए, इतना फिलहाल तो समझे। बट अ विंड कम एंड मेक इट टू मूव अपवर्ड, तो क्लाउड्स आर मूविंग, देखा है ना, क्लाउड्स यूज्ड टू मूव आल्सो। व्हेन इट इज मूविंग ओवर द माउंटेन, देन स्लोली एंड स्लोली पार्ट्स ऑफ इट, माउंटेन्स पे क्या हो जाएगा? स्ट्रेटस। दे विल कन्वर्ट इनटू व्हाट? स्मॉलर क्यूमुलस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, पहले लग जाएगा, बिकॉज यू आर मेकिंग द ऑन द माउंटेन्स टुवर्ड्स देन फोर्सफुली राइज अप, दिस cumulus cloud is over there, then it started rising up. Who is rising up? Some wind is pushing it. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? Cumulostratus. It will become what? So which cloud? Which cloud you can be able to see? Understood it? समझ में आ गया? हाउ डू है ना cumulus clouds आर फॉर्मिंग? अ cumulus cloud which has been status का मतलब ही है फोर्स, स्प्रेडिंग, force and spreading. Forcefully something is happening or spreading is happening, then it will convert into strata. Yes, tell me, why do the clouds are not falling? Tell me fast, little loud. Strong current from, yes, a strong amount of air current, it is pulling it and it is put the thrust upward, and then cloud is जो कि हम लोग feel नहीं कर पाते हैं, and then you सोचते हो कितना it is making it to move upward. First thing, it is upward thrust by air. Second, suppose water droplets is like this. इतना बड़ा water droplets है, हमारे पास तो इतना छोटा सा था, and when it is passing through and it is started falling, then it will face the friction, and when it is in a friction, then it will convert into this much, then it will friction से क्या हो जाएगा? It will started what? Evaporating the outer layer. Yes, this way, and earth तक पहुंचते हुए it will become, before reaching the earth, it become vapor. And vapor, and who is giving the friction? Upward thrust, और the upward thrust भी यदि कम है तो friction इतना है कि suppose air has been not, that this droplet of water is not, suppose thrust को हटा दिया मैंने, thrust has been removed. When it is coming down, then it will feel the friction by the air available, then it has been become like this, smaller, and then water vapor become, it means it become lighter itself and it started moving upward. And who is falling? Suppose this cloud is very heavy water droplets, and girte this is this much, this much, this much, and this much it is falling onto that surface. So it should be very heavy enough. और जो क्लाउड आप देख लेते हैं नियर बाई इन योर अपर एटमॉस्फेयर, जब देखते हो कि जस्ट यहीं पर है, कभी कभी आप लोगों ने देखा है, आई सेड दैट क्लाउड इज ओवर देयर बट बिलो द क्लाउड आपको लगता है हल्का हल्का रेन इट इज हैपनिंग, यस और नॉट? कभी देखा आपने दूर से? हैव यू एवर फेल्ट लाइक दिस? क्लाउड इज हैवी एंड देन सम काइंड ऑफ वेगनेस इज देयर, लगता है जैसे रेन इज हैपनिंग लिटिल बिट, it is happening, but by reaching near to the ground they have been converted into what? Vapor, and then what? Moved upward, and that is made by the upward thrust by the air. Understood? And this upward thrust by the air make the cloud to remain hanging over there, or by chance एक wind आया उसको लेकर गया, हमेशा तो खड़ा नहीं रहेगा. Then I have said that there is so much circulation is there, it will keep on happening. आप देखते होंगे, if you are seeing in your atmosphere cloud is there, आप कुछ देर तक देखोगे cloud उधर से उधर चला जाएगा. Have you seen? So it is always a circulation is happening in the atmosphere, smaller level, higher level, and large level. So we are going to see one topic. I said that a cloud, cumulus kind of it. First we are going to see collision coalescence process, two process. For cloud formation. Collision coalescence process. Now, one thing before coming for it. All of you are sitting on a chair. Similarly, water droplets sit on a chair. That is known as a cloud condensation nuclei. Understood? And this cloud condensation nuclei is like in a dust particles. It's like in a what? Dust particles. Understood? Similarly, for the formation of ice crystal cloud, even the temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius, minus 15, minus 20, it will not convert into, I said that ice crystal when their chair is not there. The chair for formation of ice crystal is different, and chair for the formation of water droplets is different. Understood? So water chairs, for water droplet chairs is a dust particle. Yes, salt particles. Which are that? I said that. Which are there in the atmosphere? Salt particles and dust particles. These are the cloud condensation nuclei where the water vapor as it condenses is what is na? Sit around the what? Dust particles. Now it started converting into it. And then temperature of this region of the cloud become minus 5. तो आप सोचते हो it should convert into ice? It will not convert into ice, because they have another chair required to convert into ice. Is it clear? They need what? Another chair, and that is one of the smallest clay particle, which I said that clay, and one of the leaf in our atmosphere that lives bacteria, that is over there, yeah, or another ice crystal. So one of the particular clay, one of the important bacteria, or one of the important, I said that what? Ice crystal. So which are the chair for? So chair for, I said that ice crystal cloud, it is I said that finest clay, and then I said that one of the bacteria left by the particular leaf in the atmosphere, and then I said that ice crystal. तो ये chair होते हैं जिसके चारों तरफ बैठते हैं. Understood it? So minus this, यहाँ पर water क्या देख रहे हो आप? In clouds with tops warmer than minus 15 degrees Celsius means minus 10, minus 8, minus 14. Collision between droplets. अभी क्या बोल रहा है? Droplets का मतलब समझते हैं? Water droplets. आपके अनुसार से तो इसको ice crystal convert हो जाना चाहिए था ना? जो आप सोचते हैं that it should convert into what? ice crystal, but it has not been converted into ice crystal, but even then it is in a which kind of water? Super cooled water. Which kind of water it is? I said that? Super cooled water, but it is not converted into ice crystal. The reason behind they do not have their particular what? Chair. Yes? अब ध्यान से केवल समझेंगे. I said that I said that क्या क्या चाहिए for the ice nuclei or chair for this? क्या चाहिए हमें? Particular clay materials. We need a bacteria in decaying plant leaf, particular, and we need a what? Ice crystal. Understood? किसके लिए चाहिए? For which? For ice crystal. And if it is not there, then it will not convert into ice crystal. Then it will not convert into ice crystal. So let us see. I said that first दिमाग में आपके you should have an so आपको ये तो idea हो गया कि it's an ice crystal formation and then water droplet formation both are a different process. Clear? In the clouds, I said that the cloud is warmer than -15. It can be what is in a -12, -13, -10, -8. This kind of water droplets are there. Yes. And these water droplets, what happened is, tell me, collide. They used to what? In upward movement formation, they used to, जब ऊपर बन भी रहे हैं, they used to collide. Yes or not? And they used to, what is it that? Collide to become more bigger water droplets. Okay? So collision. First I said that. And when they become heavy enough, सबसे ऊपर वाला ज्यादा बड़ा होगा क्योंकि वहां पे ठंडा मिला और उसको और भी पार्टिकल्स मिल गए and then started. When it started moving downward during the heaviness, तो थोड़ा फ्रिक्शन भी होगा and they will find lakhs of smaller water droplets. They will collide with this. They will, collide करने के साथ they will coalesce. Coalesce समझते हैं? They become together with this. They will become, and these water droplets